So for this textured blowout, I'm going to start off with freshly washed hair, and I'm applying one of my favorite leave-in conditioners and using that to finger detangle. Then I'm going to further detangle with this NUME paddle brush to get all of the knots out and put my hair in chunky 2-strand twists. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab the actual blow dryer, which has several heat settings, and I'm going to use mine on kind of like a medium setting. And using the tension method, I'm going to very gently pull each twist and blow the twist out, but I am never ever going to unravel the twist. And I'm just running the blow dryer back and forth, up and down my head to evenly distribute the heat, and then I'm gonna hit it with one cool blast. And this is what my hair looked like after the blowout was completed. So I'm actually just going to sleep with the satin bonnet with my hair just like this, and in the morning I'm going to actually take down and unravel each twist. So as I unravel each twist, I am making sure to fully fluff them out so I am left with absolutely no parts, and the twists are actually what's going to give the blowout a bit more texture. Then I'm just going to shake out the roots and continue to fluff, fluff, fluff. Here's a bit of a lint check, it's growing. And once I am done, I'm just gonna rock it out. Here is the final look, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this textured blowout tutorial. Give it a little shake, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!